In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate AutoDS with your eBay account to enhance your online selling experience. First, we'll start by signing up for AutoDS, a powerful dropshipping tool designed to help you streamline your operations. Head over to the AutoDS website to create your account. The process is straightforward and involves providing some basic information like your name, email, and a secure password. Remember to verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to your inbox to activate your account. Now, you'll be ready to connect your eBay account to AutoDS. This integration is crucial as it sets the foundation for automated operations. Simply log into your newly created AutoDS account and navigate to the platform's integrations or settings section. Follow the easy prompts to authorize the AutoDS application to access your eBay account. Make sure all permissions are granted so AutoDS can effectively manage your listings. Next, let's dive into importing products from supported suppliers into your AutoDS account. Once you're in your AutoDS dashboards, locate the import page. Here, you'll find a list of supported suppliers. Browse through the suppliers and choose the products that best fit your eBay store's niche. Each supplier listed there is fully compatible, ensuring a smooth import process. Select the products you want and add them to your AutoDS inventory. Quickly review the product details to ensure everything is accurate. With your products successfully imported, it's time to set up pricing rules and automation preferences. This step is essential to maximize your profits and minimize manual work. Navigate to the pricing settings within AutoDS. Here, you can establish your desired profit margins by setting the right markup percentages. Consider incorporating shipping and other fees as well to ensure a profitable margin. You can also set rules for taxes and about price fluctuations, saving you from the tedious task of manually updating prices. Automation preferences can be further tailored to your needs, offering you the most efficient business model. AutoDS is equipped to monitor stock and prices, ensuring that your listings are always up to date with your suppliers. The platform automatically adjusts your eBay store prices in real time and updates stock availability. Additionally, AutoDS can fulfill orders directly, optimizing your workflow and reducing the time spent on back-end operations. You'll receive notifications whenever there are updates, keeping you looped in but free from the constant need to check. Finally, let's discuss how you can efficiently manage your eBay store with these automated tools. Regularly check your AutoDS dashboard to stay updated with your store's performance. The analytics provided can guide you on what products perform best and areas that might need improvement. With AutoDS handling the day-to-day tasks, you'll have more time to focus on growth strategies, customer service, and expanding your product line. Embrace the convenience of automation to take your eBay business to new heights. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has helped you get started with AutoDS on your journey to online retail success.